What's up, guys? Welcome to my first moving vlog. I have just returned from Okeechobee. I'm a little bit my voice is a little bit gone. I am sunburned. I will admit my forehead is very burned. My nose is very burned. But today is the start of the moving vlogs because today's the day that I get the keys to my house. I'll show you guys an empty house tour, all that stuff. So I'm at Sean's house right now because I kind of slept here for the night and then my stuff was stored here while we were at the festival. What are you doing over there?
Just reading about birds. The ivory-billed woodpecker may be extinct in North America. Isn't that sad? But unconfirmed sightings have been seen recently in Georgia, Florida, and Texas.
Oh. You weren't actually reading that book. You just wanted to be funny for the vlog. Tuesday, March 6th. Today's the day that I move into my little house. Today I'm basically just moving in all the stuff that I already had in Boise. So my stuff is just like in trash bags. It's mostly just clothes. Smokey just came in. He was very excited to see us after we were gone for so long. We're actually gonna go pick up Squirtle here in a minute, but I'm not moving any of my stuff in yet until next week. That's like all my furniture and all my stuff because it's all coming from LA, so that stuff isn't gonna be in my house for a little while. This is basically all my stuff, you guys. Mostly everything's just in trash bags because I don't have boxes. There's like a couple suitcases and just, this is all the things that I've acquired, which is actually like a pretty good amount for being here for the past couple months. So we're gonna load this stuff up into the car right now. We actually do have a rental car, which is nice for the day. And then we're gonna go pick up Squirtle, go over to my house, start moving in.
When I was but a wee boy, this, although it looks like nothing, is the best hide and seek spot at my house. And I am the only one that knows about it to this day.
The only one.
You can go all the way up, like to the back of these, and nobody will find you for
It's like a sneaky little under deck hiding spot.
So don't tell me.
Just don't fucking tell anyone, you guys. Okay, guys, so today we have a cute little bug. This is what we got for our rental car. It's tiny, but like honestly, it was definitely enough for us and Jose. We drove home from Salt Lake last night, so that's why we ended up needing a car. We don't have to return it till 1 a.m. tonight, so like we're gonna fill up my stuff in here. We're gonna go my beanie, my shirt, which is actually both Sean's that I'm borrowing for the day, in the car. We are all the same color. But I loaded this baby up as much as possible. We've got a couple things that wouldn't fit, so we're gonna come back for those a little bit later. We are gonna go pick up Squirtle, and then we are gonna go to the house. All right, we're picking up Squirtle. I haven't seen him in 6 days. I'm so excited. Sean's gonna vlog their reaction.
Let's do this.
Hi! Who are you? Are you Squirtle? He was so confused.
He ran to me.
Is this MTV Cribs?
I'm Squirtle. Oh.
Hi, baby. Oh, you have your dragon? Bring it out here.
Hi, buddy.
Guys, we are at my house. The neighbors' dogs are barking. They're a little bit loud. They're a little bit excited that we're moving in. All right, guys, are you ready?
I love your knocker.
My knocker. All right, guys, welcome to my humble abode. Welcome to my house. This is my echoey living room. I will show you guys around. Come with me, come with me. Something I love about this house is like the little old touches that they kept, but they still kept it modern. So we have like this kind of a little shelf thingy, which is just gonna be so fun to put like decor, books, whatever I end up putting over here. So I love how there's some little like old touches. We have some nice hardwood throughout the entire house.
Yeah, those are nice.
I absolutely love the color of the floors. And they actually redid them, she told me. So these are like new floors. They're beautiful.
Are you gonna get a rug at all?
Yeah, I have rugs. I don't have anything in here yet, as you can tell, obviously. This is the empty house tour. This is my fireplace. I've never had a fireplace before, and I am obsessed with the like white and gray wood and brick on this thing. Oh, it's gonna be so fun to decorate my little mantle, put something up here. I'm just stoked. One thing I do have in this place, I have this storage thing with a router. So hopefully the internet is good. If not, we're gonna be making adjustments to that. Let's keep going. This is the first bedroom. There's 2 bedrooms. They're a pretty good size. What would you say? Come in. What do you think about the size? I think it's pretty good. I love how this has the built-in storage and closet and everything like that.
Yeah, there's
a little bit like ratchet on the inside. I might like want to do some painting, but I feel like once I have stuff in there, it's gonna look fine. You know, it's just because it's empty right now.
There's a lot of storage in here.
There's a lot of storage in here.
That is no joke.
This is probably the room I'll put my bed in and all that jazz. Love it, it's great. Let's head into the next room. This is my second bedroom. This is a little bit smaller than the other one. It doesn't have as much storage, but it's fine. I'm probably gonna end up using this room for a little office, some storage, maybe a closet, not like a whole closet, but just for some of my clothes. And then this is like a miniature closet as well over here. Let's keep going. This is my bathroom. I love the bathroom. That might sound weird, but it's very cute. Like the floors are actually different in the bathroom than out here. And I really like the lighter white kind of wood. And then we have my shower, which needs the shower curtain and a little rod. That's the first order of business probably for this place. And then come over here, you can see the little under sink storage. It's kind of cool. It slides, which is kind of nice. And then they've got some drawers. It's not a crazy amount of storage, but it's definitely a good amount. And then I have these bins.
Yeah.
It's really nice that they put these for me, I feel like, because now I just have room for things.
And they left you 2 rolls of
toilet paper. Icons.
What is this right here?
Do you think that's like my attic?
You wanna kind of poke it open?
We have found a mysterious doorway.
Wow, yeah, that's so massive.
I have an attic. Is there anything up there?
Can I stand on your seat?
I guess. It's happening, so I guess.
There's nothing up there, but it is massive. Like, massive.
I guess if I really needed some extra storage, I could just start shoving stuff up in the attic. And let's go into the kitchen, because we haven't done the kitchen yet, and that's like the best freaking part. Squirtle, what do you think? He's like, I don't know where we are. There's no food, there's no bed. Also, you guys, look at these little doorways. I don't know how to explain it, like arched maybe. It's just kind of like an old feel. They're actually a little bit short, and I think it is just adorable. Yeah, it's pretty much only a few inches taller than Sean.
Yeah, this is interesting. I never seen it like that.
Okay, this is the living room, and now we're entering the little, this is kind of like a dining nook. I think I'll just put my high table in here, maybe a little something else for decor, maybe like some benches. And then we also have this cute light. I wouldn't call it a chandelier, but it's very beautiful. I like how they put this in here. It's kind of like a nice little bright entryway to the kitchen. Again, we have my cute little arched doorway. Guys, the kitchen is my favorite part of the whole house. It is so beautiful in my opinion. It's tiny, but it's like perfect for me. So come in, see the kitchen. My favorite part of the kitchen, besides the brand new stainless steel appliances everywhere, my favorite part, I think, has to be the slight sparkle in this granite of my counter.
Oh, wow.
There's literally a little sparkle in there. Are you picking up on that? It is gorgeous. And if you guys know me, and you saw my last apartment, you know how much I love white kitchens. I either want it to be white, gray, or black. And this kitchen is gray and white. And it is so beautiful. So, I got my little backsplash, my window. I'm showing you guys everything.
Don't forget the most important thing.
What? Oh. Me and Sean were very excited that my fridge comes with a, what's it called? A water dispenser?
Yeah, and ice.
And ice. I mean, this is kind of like a tiny fridge. Like, you're taller than my fridge.
Yeah.
But who cares? I don't, it's
you
one
live
person.
You live alone, yeah.
I don't need a huge, ooh.
Oh, that's
kind of like a nice fridge. This is past my kitchen. I wouldn't know exactly what I'll call this little area. Windows into the backyard abyss. And then also, follow me. We have a little stairs right here, which goes down to my basement, which is unfinished, but the laundry is down there. I don't think we're gonna go down there because it's not really cute. It's unfinished, but hey, I have a washer and dryer in my house. That's all I care about. And I can use the basement as a storage unit because there's actually a good amount of room down there. Shall we go outside?
Mm-hmm.
This is the door to my backyard. Squirtle, would you like to come? Here's my backyard. Here's my noisy little neighbor dog. Hopefully we can become friends. Hopefully I can become your friend because you are very cute. Squirtle, what do you think? What's up, guys? It's a few hours later now. I'm in my kitchen, obviously. I hope you enjoyed the empty house tour. My fridge is making ice or water or something. I moved my stuff from Sean's house and I've just been kind of like unpacking and doing stuff like that and getting used to the place and figuring out my internet and all that kind of stuff. So I'm currently exporting a video and then seeing how long it's gonna take me to upload the video. Yeah, I don't have too much to unpack, so this is kind of like the easy, like light move week, and then next week, eventually once all my stuff gets here, that will be like whole more moving vlogs in itself. So there's gonna be a decent amount of moving vlogs, and this is only the first one, and this is probably like one of the most exciting ones because it's, you know, my empty place tour, which I was just like so stoked to show you guys. I'm really pumped. Me and Sean are gonna get dinner with Jose in a little bit, and that's pretty much what's going on. It's pretty much what's going on around here. That's about it. I'm loving the place. I'm really enjoying everything so far. That's about it. I'll talk to you soon.
Summertime, sadness. I feel India in my bones. I can smell sunlight. I can feel